There's so much to do.
There's the caterer, the cake, the band, the guest list. Captain, round up some guests.
Very well, Ogre.
Shrek, what are you doing? You let me get away.
Yeah, so what?
Shrek, there's something about it that you don't know. Look, I talked to her last night.
Yes, I know you talked to her last night. You're great pals, aren't you? Now, if you two are such good friends, why don't you follow her home?
Shrek, I want to go with you.
Hey, I told you, didn't I? You're not coming home with me. I live alone. My swamp. Me. Nobody else. Understand? Nobody. Especially useless, pathetic, annoying, talking donkeys.
But I thought...
Yeah, you know what? You thought wrong.
Shrek.
Heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I know this room, I've walked this floor.